What a $450,000 could get you in Accra, Ghana. Hello family, I welcome you all to my channel once again. Today we are in Accra, Ghana, touring this luxurious property situated inside Ashilobotri here in Accra. If today is your first time here, kindly appreciate me by subscribing to my channel to be a part of this great family. Without wasting much time, let's get into the video. This property is a 4-bedroom suite with a living area, dining area, kitchen, storage space, balcony, powder room, parking space, swimming pool, and a playing ground. This living room is very spacious. It can have your entertainment space, that is your TV, your couch, etc. It has an open kitchen area and also have a dining set as well. This space comes with more windows to make way for good natural lighting in the living area. Also, here is a storage space for the kitchen to help you keep foodstuff and utensils as well. Next is the guest or the powder room for all your visitors. Here is the first bedroom suite, sizable space which can contain your bed, wardrobe, etc. It also has more windows for great natural lighting and good ventilation as well. I really like this property, especially the porcelain tiles finishing, and also the design on the ceiling, and also the bathroom with ultra-modern equipment.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
This staircase leads to the master bedroom and also the 2 other rooms. Let's take a quick tour. Up here is a mini upstairs lobby for your lounge. As usual, the developer did a great job by having loads of windows to enable more natural lighting in this luxury home. You are finally welcome to the master bedroom. Very spacious to house your wardrobe, bed, and few stuff. Good ventilation, lighting, and it also has a balcony which gives you the opportunity to enjoy the view of the community. The bathhouse is a luxury and spacious, which comes with a glass door opening. It has the usual bathing space and also a basin to give you the luxury touch. I love the bathroom. Here is really a master bedroom. I love how the developer added greens to this property. Here is the balcony where you can sit, relax and sip your wine whilst enjoying this amazing view of your community and also view your compound. This property also has a spacious compound which can accommodate a maximum of 4 cars. Let's proceed to the 3rd and 4th bedroom suite.
Fuel to the top, got a filled up engine. In my thoughts, obsession, I will not stop, no, I'm never second guessing. I got a God complex, haters love to hate, but I never feel pressed. Got a lot on my plate, but I never get stressed. I'll take all the pressure like I'm acing this test. Tear it up like I'm Jason. I see the world like it's ready for the taking. I see this place like a game I'm playing. Straight to the bank to collect my payments. No negotiations, it's my way, I was born impatient. And like a damn Freemason, I'll run this nation.
They call me a god. They call me a god. They call me a god. They call me a god.
I don't know how to stop.
Here is the swimming pool area. A mini swimming pool to help you chill and cool down or have a pool party with family and friends.
Anyone in the way is irrelevant. You wanna cross me, cool, not intelligent. Cause I don't forget shit like an elephant. Go ahead and tempt me, put it on the line and you'll come up empty. If I got
This property is up for sale at $450,000. Contact me if you are interested.
no hezzy, about to get real messy. I'll put you in a grave 6 feet like Kenny.
They call me a god. They call me a god. They call me a god.
This is the $450,000 luxurious home property situated inside Ashelebotwe, Accra, Ghana. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.